Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created this Durga Puja makeup tutorial look, and I was super excited creating this look, and I'm actually getting that bong, Bengali vibe because of the jewelry, the kohl, the bindi, and yes, I had so much fun creating this video. And if you want to see how I created this look, please continue watching. So for the startup, I am using this orange corrector by LA Girl, and I am correcting my hyperpigmentation and then blending it out with the damp beauty blender. After that, for foundation, I am going in with my favorite foundation of all time, which is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation Plus Concealer. I opted for this foundation because of its longevity and its coverage. I love this foundation so much. And now for concealer, I am using again my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love the coverage. It doesn't look patchy or cakey, and it's creamy, it's blendable, everything like that sort. And now after blending the concealer, I am actually going to set the concealer as well so that it doesn't crease, and for that I am using my Maybelline setting compact, and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my mouth area, and that is it. I'm not setting my entire face because I want that dewiness to be there. Now I am using a setting spray. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is in the variant Hyaluronic Fix, and I'm just spritzing it off and then patting it with the beauty blender. And after that, for blush, I am going in with this creamy blush by Maybelline in the shade mauve and then blending it out. And now comes the bronzy time. I am bronzing up my face. I want that structured Bengalis really have that very structured face, so I am actually bronzing up my face and my jawline as well. And now for eyes, I wanted to go for very nice extended wing light Bengalis, and for that I am using this Lakmé Absolute liner in the shade black. And now I'm setting my under eyes once again before going in with my lower lash line. Now for my lower lash line and for my waterline, I am going in with this kajal. This is from a Lakmé Eyeconic, and I am using it on both my waterline and my lower lash line, and then smoking it out using a flat shader brush. I wanted that smoky kind of look. And now I have done my falsies off camera, and I'm just highlighting my face, and I specifically wanted this like a gold highlighter, and for that I am using this Makeup Revolution shimmer brick, and I am highlighting my nose and the brow bone area as well, and inner corners, and just softening the highlighter out. Now for lipstick, I am going in with this red liquid lipstick by Colorpop in the shade Lucky Star, and to finish off the look, I'm using this pretty mang tika and a bindi, and it complemented the look so well. Thank you for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I had so much fun creating this video, and if you enjoyed watching the video, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you could be notified whenever I'll upload my new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy Navratri and happy Durga Puja. Bye.